Hi there, it's Grant here, and if you're an affiliate marketer, business owner, coach, or consultant, I've got something really exciting for you because I am going to give you a snapshot of how you can claim free ads on Google so you can grow your business and grow your income. Now, I use this to run and grow my affiliate marketing business, and in this video, I'm going to give you a snapshot of how this works. Basically, once you get this dialed in, you can claim positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 on Google. You can attract red hot buyers to the products and services you're promoting. And you can potentially put yourself in front of hundreds of thousands, if not millions of searches per month. So with that out of the way, let's crack on. So let me show you what I mean. So traditionally with Google ads, what you do is you'll have there isn't an ad here, but you'll have an ad here right at the top of the page. Now, these are the free Google ads I'm on about, and these are my videos ranking for page 1 on Google for this term here. And this is what I'm on about. So these are, whilst you're obviously this is free, you're not paying for it. Google rewards you if you do a few things and rank videos. So these are basically the free ads. So basically these are YouTube videos. So what I do is I do product review videos or talk about something interesting. I optimize the videos to rank for keywords, and they appear on page 1 of Google like this. Now, obviously you need to know what you're doing in order to achieve this. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, these are all my videos, 4 of these videos on the homepage, page 1. And these videos are bringing me in leads and buyers every single day. And that isn't a fluke. Here's another one. So these are all of my videos. So these are like free ads. Whilst they're technically not ads, they are free ads because you're basically promoting content or products on page 1 of Google. These are all of my ads here. And page 1 for this term 1 ticker trader. So this is basically what this is on about. Optimizing simple little videos on YouTube so you can review products as an affiliate or promote your own products that you own or put out valuable content that you can rank around keywords so you can bring in leads and your ideal customers. This is what it is all about. And no one's really teaching this. There's only one guy I know who's teaching this. This is probably one of the most powerful free traffic systems you can use for an affiliate marketing business. In fact, for any business. What I'm going to do now is take you to my YouTube channel to show you how this works. So one of my videos uploaded recently absolutely exploded. It's this one here. So let me just go in and just show this up. I mean, this video hasn't received hundreds of thousands or millions of views, but it doesn't need to because he's laser targeted. So over the past 48 hours, I've had 811 views. And these are for this video here is it on this page? Yes, that video there is this video here, and this is ranking at the top of YouTube and Google, hence why I'm getting all of these views. And this is the power of what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to sort of show you the details, give you a little idea. So this video is blown up. It's sort of like in a conjunction with an event, hence why it's blown up. But basically what I'm doing is I'm using this little video to talk about something in the crypto industry, and this page here is driving all of this traffic and views to, and this is the product that I'm promoting both on a presentation, and if people just want to buy it can buy it here. And basically I've put the keyword I want to rank for in the title, super important, super, really clickbaity thumbnail, put the keyword in the description, add my tags. And that is the basics of what it is all about. And once you do this, you can appear on Google like this. This is, honestly, I cannot describe to you how powerful this is. Now, this video I showed you, this one here, is bringing me in 10 to 30 free leads a day, and is bringing me in a couple of sales a week. And this isn't of a low ticket product. The product that's been promoted here costs around about $1,000. I think it's $1,500. So it's a high ticket. I get sales, I get a lot of money. And this is the power of using this if you're an affiliate. Now, the beautiful thing is, with this system, you don't need any subscribers. You just need to know how to rank these videos for certain keywords. And if you're interested in learning more about the system of how you can apply it to your affiliate marketing business, or if you want to start an affiliate marketing business, and I invite you to sign up for this training that's been done by Paul Murphy. I learned this system from Paul Murphy. He's the world leading expert on how to rank simple YouTube videos and get top rankings on Google. So you basically get free Google ads. Watch this presentation. This isn't live. This is an on-demand training. I'll link to it down below. You'll see it as a bit.ly link. Just click the link, come to this page, just click the button, enter your email address, and you'll be taken straight to the presentation, and Paul Murphy will walk you through it. It's going to show you how to claim positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 on Google, how to attract unlimited red hot buyers, and how to potentially put yourself in front of 2 million searches per month. And once you nail the system in, then you're going to be able to rank videos like this, like I do just here, and basically, you know, get potentially, well, I've had 1,700 red hot views in the past 48 hours. So that is what is possible if you get this system dialed in and you learn it. So I'll link to this training down below. You're completely free to join. Enter your email here, and you'll be taken to training, straight away. Also, if you want to go really deep with this and you want to commit to this, I'll also link to Paul's course where he goes super deep into this. It's called the Affiliate Tube Success. I've gone through this, and that is why I'm able to do this. It's world leading course, absolutely brilliant. It will teach you how to do this on a completely deep level. So you can either do it to rank videos for affiliate marketing business, or you can do it for clients. So if you want to check out Paul's course, I'll leave a link down below. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak